Hello everyone, welcome to Cupid's Cooking! And it's the most wonderful time of the year, and for my family, this is our favorite season. A season to bring good cheer, happiness, and love to everyone. So in this couple of weeks, we will be sharing with you our family's favorite Christmas recipes, decorated by our adorable kids. And for today, we will be making a small Christmas Yule Log Cake. You may double the recipe in case you want a bigger cake. This is super easy to make with few ingredients, and it's the best time for your family to make. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get the latest update on our exciting videos. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare our cake batter. In a small bowl, combine 70 grams of all-purpose flour, 22 grams of cocoa powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix them together and set aside. In another bowl, crack 5 room temperature eggs, add 115 grams of granulated sugar, and using the electric hand mixer, beat the eggs until pale and light. This may take up to 5 to 10 minutes. This is an important process because it will give a light and airy texture to your batter or cake. Your mixture should look like this, pale and light and double in size. Add the flour mixture and whisk for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not overmix your batter. And it's time to pour the batter onto the baking tin lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly and tap it in the surface to remove the bubbles. Bake it in the middle of the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until springy to the touch. Remove the cake from the oven and sprinkle with icing or confectioner's sugar. Loosen the sides before placing a parchment paper on the top of the cake and flip it around. Remove the parchment paper and sprinkle again with icing sugar or confectioner's sugar. Roll up around the cake into a fresh parchment paper and cool down before putting it in the fridge for 1 hour. To make the chocolate ganache, chop the chocolate into smaller pieces. You may use 200 grams of semi-sweetened chocolate, but because I only have the unsweetened chocolate, I will add 50 grams of icing sugar into it. Mix them together. In a pot, heat the 200 ml of heavy cream up to a boil, remove from the heat, and pour it in the chocolate. Leave it for a few minutes. Stir and leave it to cool and thicken. You may prepare the ganache ahead, just keep it on the fridge. To prepare our cream cheese filling, in a bowl, combine the cream cheese and softened butter. Whisk until creamy. Slowly add the sugar or icing sugar and vanilla. Continue whisking until thick and creamy. Pop it in the fridge for an hour. My kids love to make their own chocolate toppings, and for this, we are going to use 150 grams of semi-sweet dark chocolate. Just melt the chocolate by either popping it in the microwave for 30 seconds or by double boiler. For today, I will be using the double boiler, but if you do this, make sure that your bowl is heat-proof. Heat the water into a pot and fit the bowl with the chocolate over the top. Make sure your bowl will not touch the water. When the water starts simmering, turn off the heat and stir the chocolate until melted and smooth. Transfer it to your favorite chocolate molder and leave it to cool down completely. Making the chocolate toppings could be a little messy, but that's the best part of it. So it's time to combine our ingredients together. Unroll the cake and spread the cream cheese filling evenly over the surface and roll it. Refrigerate it for 1 hour until firm. Before spreading the chocolate ganache, give it a quick whisk using the electric mixer. To create a log, remove the roll from the fridge and trim the edges of the cake with a serrated knife. Cut the cake with an angle approximately 2 to 3 inches. Attach the cake into the sides. Spread the ganache using the spatula and create a textured line like a bark of tree. You may leave the ends without the ganache or you may spread the ganache over it. Decorate it with your favorite toppings. For me, I will leave the decoration after my little ones. So there you have it. Our Christmas Yule Log Cake is ready. Enjoy and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.